What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can find royalty-free assets in Artlist. So let's start. So first, log into your account, and from here, go to Stock Catalog. And from here, you will find royalty-free music. So you can scroll down through these music and select the music that you want to add to your project, and it is royalty free. You also have your sound effects right below it, so you can choose a sound effect that you want to use. Also, you have your footage, so this is going to be for video, and also your images. And also here you can sort this by video theme. You have abstract, elements of nature, business, or agriculture. You also have shot type, whether you want 4K or you want a close-up, or if you want fast or slow videos. You also have option for people if you want female, Asian, teenager, and whatnot. So here you have a full list of options that you can go for. Now you can also go to your video templates, and you can also choose the video templates you need for your project. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.